Storm warning signals, flood, and rainfall advisories. These are just some of the weather warning systems authorities use to inform the public about the effects of severe weather. But because recent rains due to shear lines severely affected different parts of southern Luzon and eastern Visayas, disaster response agencies are eyeing to also add shear lines to their advisories. Shear lines happen when hot and cold air combine, causing heavy rains.
Yung mga pagulan na dinadala naman ng amihan, hindi po siya ganun kalakas, pero ang main na nauulanan ay yung eastern part ng Pilipinas. So yung sa kabila naman po, yung mainit na hangin naman, na yung tinatawag natin na easterlies or trade winds, ito po ay dahil sa pag-ikot ng mundo sa axis niya.
The Office of Civil Defense says over 40,000 families were affected by shear line-induced rains. Over 3,000 of them are in evacuation centers. 5 people were also killed after their vehicle was swept away by floods in Aborlan, Palawan. Last February 9 and 10, the shear line caused downpour that broke the province's highest rainfall record. The shear line also dumped heavy rains that caused massive flooding in Oriental Mindoro.
The bottom line is we want to develop a warning system that will specifically address itong ating shear line, itong ating ITCC, so that, again, on the ground, our people will know what to do. We are identifying locations that are affected by these advisories, and based on that, we are deploying our relief and rescue operations.
The Office of Civil Defense is now coordinating with science-related agencies to study how these new alerts can be integrated in the current weather system. Associate Professor Winifredo Dagli, chairperson of the Department of Science Communication of UP Los Baños' College of Development Communication, agrees with the proposal.
Eventually, nakahanap tayo ng ways to actually localize our understanding of storm surge. Ginagamit ngayon ang term na daluyong. So, ganun din siguro sa shear line. Sana sa mga susunod na pagkakataon, mapag-usapan ito ng mga weather forecasters, ganun din ng mga nasa media, kung paano mas ipapaunawa sa tao yung fenomeno na ito. But at the same time, at ang pinakamahalaga siguro is, ano ba yung magiging epekto nito at paano ito mararanasan ng mga kababayan natin.
Be it storm surges, shear lines, or any other weather condition, disaster officials and experts say preparedness is still the most important thing to communicate, as this helps everyone brace for the effects of our changing climate. Paulo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.